Today we're getting organized and setting up a new workspace with our new 47-inch rolling workstation with storage bag and metal hooks. This desk looks awesome and gives you plenty of workspace and storage options. It's also quite easy to build and comes shipped right to your door with all the parts and tools you need to quickly assemble. Firstly, I opened the box, found the manual, and laid out all the parts. It has all the parts and screws nicely labeled, making it easy to quickly find and assemble the pieces. Once everything's identified, go ahead and assemble the legs. Then grab the frame and slide the legs into the grooves. Secure those down on all four sides. Then you're ready to secure the metal frame to the bottom of the desk. Make sure all the screws are firmly locked down, then grab your crossbeam. Connect this to the bottom of the legs. Lock down your screws and then grab your wheels. They're threaded to the bottom of the legs and spin easily into place. Make sure all four are secure and then you're ready to flip your desk. Now grab your accessories. Secure down your 3 iron hooks, then spin it to the other side. Screw down your storage bin and open it up so it holds its shape. At this point, if you did everything correctly, the desk is built and ready to go. Give it a push, give it a roll, give it a spin. Make sure everything is solid and you'll immediately be impressed with the wheels. It moves so smoothly and looks nice gliding around. Once you find that perfect spot, you can lock the wheels to secure the desk in place. The locks also do a great job. The desk itself has plenty of storage space. It has room for dual monitors and all your accessories. You can hang your headphones on the side, and the storage bin is really convenient too. It can fit notebooks, craft supplies, wallets, or whatever else you can think of. The pockets and sleeves give you plenty of options, and it's plenty strong too. It was even able to hold my cat. This desk is lightweight and durable, making it easy to move around and position in a way that's best for you. I used it as a mobile workstation for a bit and I loved it. But in the end, I put it in my office and I put a back on it and built it into a mega craft station. It's strong enough that it can take the extra weight no problem. This not only looks great, but it's improved my productivity as well. I have tons of new workspace now and my office is nice and organized. I can find my equipment when I need it, and I'm just happy to be in there now. I really do love this desk wood design. So if you'd like to organize your workspace and improve your office, then this desk might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go enjoy my organized office. See ya!